Apolonia carry go.
Bros, we won now. Oh, what do I want for my body? We'll be one now.
We're taking you back to the boss.
Let me the run, so I never hear.
Yeah, wait.
Boss won't use everybody take do ritual, including 12 now. Yeah? Now run idea, so now run idea. Now run idea, so now run. Don't thief. Huh? Once they catch him now, jail 10. Oh. They're gonna find out, don't thief. Bros. This girl do?
Which girl?
This house girl where police they find. Wanted.
Oh. They mean they want a house girl to work for them. That doesn't mean that the house girl is being wanted by the police.
Ah! House girl needed.
It is their choice.
Yes.
Bye.
Fine house. They already slap anyhow. Let me the post for the gate.
Who go come post you come this my office? They not tell me. Me I not even approve. I don't understand though. You never explain to me where.
Maybe the wanted person they forget them.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You dey find work as house help, eh? Now you dey talk now. Okay. Now you call carry bag like say you don't get the work. Yeah. Hey. Mo go now. I show you to madam. Wait. Now for security purpose. Follow me. I don't get pride.
Have you had any experience in cooking?
Yes, ma'am. I'm a very good cooker.
I don't be cooking for my auntie now for years. Then, can you make intercontinental dishes?
Even the intercontinental soup.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. The fried rice, jollof rice, the spaghetti, the continental, intercontinental one, all. Mom, where is she from? Where is this Nikompu from?
No, I'm in Apollo.
What she meant is, we need someone who is intelligent. I mean, someone who can put her brain together and bring something good.
No, maybe that. The brain it together.
Why are we here? Why are we here listening to her? We should just let her go. She should leave.
Mom, I think we should just hire her as a cleaner for now. Then give her a try on her cooking ability.
Bam.
And what do you mean by bam?
House of Gallow, everything get where it is in a house of Gallow, house of Gallow.
Take her in, it's okay.
Apollo, wow, Sararo, Babukabuche, Imagosi, Wado, Emma, Batara, Ochia, Megaria, Izo, Mapano,
Hey, she didn't laugh. Madam, I forget her woman. See, as I carry you go inside there, now go back, now call Oga, now tell us Oga, I beg me give you the job. No guy say I not go for my hand. Yeah. What go happen? You just carry your things, move go my kaba. Me go rest. Just rest. You even sleep overnight. If you sleep till daybreak. I get fan, I get standing fan. I get TV, small TV. Oh boy, the show it clear. Clear. More good now.
Come with me.
Well done. Instead of you now to they go like this, they carry you go like this.
I feel there is something I am yet to fix.
Do you see here the cry of babies?
Well, I have gone to see Ozwome.
That's very good.
And he made some sacrifices.
I think you have to send for your lawyer to prepare your will.
No.
Why?
Because I am not ready yet. I feel there is something bad lurking. So please, I want you to keep your eyes on my family.
Udogu, I always do that. Count on me.
It's all right.
Can we talk about the proposal from the Motel Breweries?
This is heaven. Someone just died here now. Heaven straight. Fact. Witches cannot even come here. Say one can suck blood. How? Why? What for? What's your reason? Don't do that. Suck blood here. Why? Tell him.
Apollo, are you still here?
Yeah.
Come on, if mommy comes in here and see you like this, she won't be happy. Come on, continue with your work.
Tell him. And I'm cleaning, though. Just that. Hi. They admire the place. I'm telling you. My father has money. Hi. He has money. Every time on the day where I come here, I think, what did my father do with your father? They make money. Beautiful house. Hi. If it's my father that has this money. Hi. It's my father. Hey.
Oh my God. Apollo, you're too funny. What is going on here? So, you've been on this since morning?
No, Auntie. I've cleaned your room and all the rooms upstairs.
Do you know what? I hate you. You're too lazy and disgusting.
Auntie, don't talk like that now. Hi. I've been cleaning now.
Oh, you now talk back at me?
No.
Diamond! So, what was that for? She insulted me. That was not an insult. Really? She did not insult you. Do you know what? I don't even have time for you. What is all this rubbish? Nonsense! Apollo. Are you all right?
Auntie Ellen.
Yes.
Auntie Ellen.
Yes, it's me.
A soldier just slapped me.
It is not a soldier. That was Diamond. Sorry, okay. You'll be fine.
Auntie Ellen.
Yes.
Is today Sunday?
Today is not Sunday. You know what? Just come, let's go inside. You'll be fine.
I'm hearing different voices. And somebody's singing praise and worship in this ear.
I'm just the only one talking.
I'm here speaking in tongues here.
Calm down. You will be all right. Let's go inside, okay? Let's go inside.
I thought today is not Sunday.
No!
You see, I'm acknowledging you for who you are and what you are explaining this ear. Here.
Whatever you're feeling right now will stop, okay? You just need to rest. Let's go in.
Okay.
My dear, I'm so sorry about that. My sister is so hot-tempered.
I beg. Very sorry to ask. How many times she slapped me?
Just once.
Just one?
Yeah, once.
Because I can still hear wee in my ear. It's a spiritual slap. I'm feeling the pain in my spirit.
Sorry, okay? Just calm down. I will get you some eardrop while coming back.
You said?
I said I will get you some eardrop while coming back. Do you understand?
No, but okay.
Just relax, huh? You'll be fine.
Huh?
I say you be fine, girl.
Why you dey shout kai kai? Kai kai? Wetin be kai kai? Wetin kai do you?
Me? Shout kai? How? I say you be fine, girl.
Ma?
Eh?
Okay, ma.
Wetin happen? Nobody call you.
Ma?
Hey! Now like this, you take start my cousin, no. Hey, the guy dey market now.
Yes, ma. Ma?
Why are you shouting?
Yes, ma. You called me, ma.
No, I didn't call you. Go back to work.
Tomatoes? I bought the tomatoes. Plenty. Yellow tomatoes with red pepper. Plenty, ma.
Are you alright?
Oh, the jollof rice. I can cook the jollof rice, ma. Or you want the Ghana jollof rice? I can do the two, ma.
Mary J!
Ma? Yes, ma. Ma?
Mary J!
Ma? Yes, ma.
Mary J!
Ma? Ma? Yes, ma.
Please take this lunatic off my sight.
Ma? Yes, yes.
Madam, where will carry and go?
Idiot! Take her out!
Tired for poverty, she begins house girl.
Yes, sir.
House girl. Everything get where it is in a house girl. House girl. House girl. Everything get where it is when a house girl. Wow, Sararo, Babuche, Imagosi, Wado, Apollo, wow, Sararo, Babuche, Imagosi, Wado, Emma, Batara, Ochia, Megaria, Izo, Mapano, Tem, Imano, Balansigo, Emma, Utineri, Ochia, Megaria, Izo, Mapano, Tem, Imano, Balansigo, Apolonia, wow, Sararo. Babuche, Imagosi, Wado, Ekene Kosi Amu, wow, Sararo, Babuche, Imagosi, Wado, Ekene Kosi Josie, wow, Sararo, Babuche, Imagosi, Wado, Ekene Kosi Abambo, hey, wow, Sararo, Babuche, Imagosi, Wado.
Ellie,
Daddy?
what is going on? Everywhere is clean and beautiful. What is happening?
Daddy is the new maid. She's so hardworking. She cleans everything in this house, including the soles of shoes.
This is wonderful.
Yes, Daddy.
So, where is she?
She should be in the kitchen.
That's all right.
Let's go in, Daddy.
That's all right.
Tired for poverty, she begin the hustle. House girl, everything.
Father, bless us and bless this food that we may eat and have life in Jesus' name.
Amen. Amen.
So famished.
Excuse me. Who made this?
Rice, sir.
What?
I made it.
You cooked this?
Yes, sir.
How did she get into the kitchen? Huh? How did you get it?
I passed through the door.
Take this rubbish out of this place, quick!
House! You're not supposed to be here at all.
Very sorry.
What did you add to this food? How did you add this amount of pepper in this food?
I cannot plenty.
You want to kill us?
Sorry.
Take water.
Sorry, Mom.
I asked you to go and warm the food in the freezer. And you went and...
Very sorry.
Unpack your bags and leave this house.
Sorry, I'm very sorry, ma.
The pepper is much. Eat it.
try yo. Ah, Apollo won't buy me. Ah, this not be pepper. Oh. This not poison. Ah.
No, you are leaving this house today. What kind of nonsense is this?
It's a mistake, man.
Mistake? You want to kill us? No. Get your miserable face out of this house. Get lost! Get lost!
Apollo, I beg, not vex, eh? Ah, this na rice pepper soup. Abi na pepper soup.
Take that bag and leave this house now. Leave this house. You did.
Get out! Pepe, you want to kill us? No, you want to poison us?
Chief, sir. Please, very sorry, sir. Very sorry, sir. Very sorry, sir. It's the pepper is the pepper.
I said leave this house. Leave this house! Come, Apollo. Get out of this house!
Sorry, ma. Very sorry, ma.
Honey, are you going to allow her here?
It's the pepper, ma. Very sorry, very sorry. Please, ma. Please,
You caused all this rubbish. Yes. If you know your duty as a woman, and you care about the kind of food I should eat, after a long journey, this wouldn't have happened.
I thought you warmed the rice in the freezer.
Yes, I want it, ma.
Very small thing you cannot do.
It's the pepper. It's the pepper. Very sorry, ma. Please, ma. Street life is not good. It's the pepper.
That's all right. Get up.
Sir?
Get up. Up.
Sorry, sir.
That's all right.
Yes, sir.
You go and get the car key so that we go out there and have our lunch. Go inside.
Thank you, sir. Sorry, ma. See, it's the pepper.
Let me get the keys now.
Go.
So you think you've escaped, right? Finish this food. No? I said eat this food.
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry? No. If you don't eat this food, I will stab you to death. Start eating. Fast. Apollo, eat this food. Fast. Apollo, eat this food.
There's pepper.
I know there's pepper. You made it. Oh, so you're avoiding the pepper, right? Apollo, mix everything together. Oh yeah. Eat. Enjoy it. Be fast. Very well. Oh, there's pepper. There's pepper. Very well. Oh yeah. Continue. Very well. You want to kill me? You want to kill my family with pepper? Apollo, eat it. Eat it. Yes, eat it.
Sorry for me, ma.
And how long would it take you to get here? Why are you using a hand fan when the air conditioners are on?
Yes, cannot get there now.
Get where?
Well, now she's on fire now. Pepper is killing.
That serves you right. Continue fanning, okay? Or just take this money and get to the supermarket and buy me detergent. You can continue fanning for all I care.
Apollo? The pepper still worry you?
Just a start.
You go put palm oil. Look for palm oil food.
Okay. Thank you.
Do.
We will go someday. After rain, sunshine will come. Chijire chige mesia we for one. Apolonia chikere ya kesi yiko mekuoku. You can't marginalize her. She knows her right. She don't tire for poverty. She begin the hustle. House girl, house girl. Everything get what it is in a house girl. House girl, house girl. Everything get what it is in a house girl.
Wash them. Wash them before you have your breakfast.
There's washing machine there.
I know. I do not want you to use the washing machine, okay? Wash them manually and be fast about that.
I'm supposed to wash your pants too.
Yes! Yes, you're supposed to wash my pants. Do you know what? I will hit your face if you ask me that stupid question again. Wash them! Hello, Sally. How are you? What's up? You're on a hot seat? Ah, okay. Two lateral states in Nigeria. Okay, hold on. Can I go?
Actually, one of the two lateral states in Nigeria are Anambra and Delta states. Good luck.
Who are you? What's your mission in this house? You came here and you claimed you don't speak good English. Huh?
I decided to speak pidgin English around you. My choice.
Do you know what? Just finish everything. Clean up before you have your breakfast. Nonsense.
Apolonia you can't marginalize her. She knows her right. She don't tire for poverty. She begin the hustle. House girl, house girl. Everything get where it is in a house girl. House girl, house girl. Everything get where it is in a house girl. Wow, Sararo.
Luigi! Oga!
You are still on this?
No, I don't finish, sir. I don't finish.
That's all right. Sorry. You.
Sir.
I want you to clean up my room very well. And make sure the books are well arranged in the bookshelf.
I'll do that, sir.
Okay? That's all right.
What should I buy, sir?
Nothing. Just take care of yourself, bitch. Buy yourself cosmetics and some clothes.
Thank you, sir.
Nekene ko si ejozi wa usararu kwa buche imagosi kwado nekene ko si abambo wa usararu buche imagosi kwado.
Your mind for revise this life. Since when I give this war, you never give me anything. You never give me anything, no, even 1 naira. Apollo,
hey, come. I'm very angry with you. I reverse for you. You see, I don't see you as they come people when I demand. If you ever ask me for any settlement for this house again, I will report you.
No worry. You know, I don't get pride, man. I don't get pride. No worry.
Fornicator.
We're not the poor.
Hello? Hello? Yes. Oni? Did you come to my room to take some dollars and my necklace? Then who did? Excuse me. How can... No. No. Wait. What will Apollo do with a trinket and dollars? What will she do with that? Listen to me, Maje. Listen to me. Apollo has been cleaning up this room, but nothing has ever disappeared from this room. So what are we talking? Listen, whoever collected my trinket and my money should return it. The person must bring it. Yes, I mean it. Darling, I want to see you downstairs right now. Yes. What kind of rubbish is this? Where is your brother?
Is there a problem?
Diamond, did you take some dollars from my bedroom?
Dad, dollars? No! You know I can't do that.
You didn't see any necklace? You didn't see any dollar?
No.
Okay. Where is Bruno?
He should be in his room. Do I call
him? Call me Bruno! Call me!
Bruno!
Come on.
Oh, is that?
What's good,
Bruno,
Dad?
please have your seat here.
Yeah, I'm sitting and ready. What's going on?
Bruno, did you take some money from my bedroom?
Some money?
Yes, some money. Necklace.
What do I need money for? If I need money, I obviously know how to get my money. Don't you think so?
It's unfortunate you don't even trust your children.
Listen, woman, I am talking about my money and necklace. So, now, where is Helen to?
Dad, she's not yet back. But Dad, maybe we should ask Apollo. She never can tell. Huh?
That's true, though. Have you asked Apollo?
What do you mean, Apollo? What does Apollo know about dollars? What will she be doing with it?
Dad, you ask, well, I say silly question. Who doesn't know what is called dollars? That's some hard currency, you know.
Apollo, where is the money, the dollars you took from my bedroom?
Dollars?
Yes, dollars.
Huh? You must see dollars before.
Why are you lying?
I've not touched it.
Why are you lying? Why are you lying to us?
I'm not lying.
You thief.
I'm not lying. I'm not a thief.
Huh? How dare you talk about me? How dare you?
Diamond, you stop it.
Apollo, can you go in there and get the money? Where you kept it. Good. See? I told you she's a thief.
You can never say that.
I told you she's a thief.
Of course she is. Everybody knows that.
Look at me. I said, look at me. Does it look like I'm joking? If you don't go in there now and bring that money out in 1 second, I won't only punish you, I will sack your ass.
Straight up.
The money
Are you stupid? How can you say that?
Where? What?
Dad.
Let me have it. Give it to me.
Damn it! I mean, God damn it!
Damn! Come here! So you are a thief! You stole my money? You stole my money? My necklace? How will I ever trust you, Diamond? How?
Dad.
It's all right.
Nothing is hidden with Apolonia. Even though the cockroach, no say she dey house. Now she be house girl, but now she be landlady. Every department they call her for answers. Even though she no talk, your name maid and no be. Apolonia, yeah.
What is it?
You think you're smart, right?
Leave my path. Hey! Now, if you ever lay your hands on me again, I will slap you back. No people employ me for me.
What is going on here? Mom! This dirty pig said you raise thieves and lazy people.
Did you say that?
Yes.
No, ma.
Hey, you said that.
I did not say that, ma.
So my daughter is lying. Mary J! Mary J!
Madam!
Go inside and get me her bags.
Oh, madam, you mean ma go inside, carry her bag and she go my kaba?
I said go bring her bag!
Go inside. Don't say that, ma. I did not say that.
You said that. That's what you said.
Take your bag and leave my house.
Ma, I did not say that, ma.
Leave!
You cannot fire her. You can't. Huh? Apollo?
Sir?
Would you like to work for me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Right now, I am employing you officially.
Yes, sir.
Take your bag inside.
Nothing is hidden with Apolonia. Even though the cockroach no say she dey house. Now she be house girl, but now she be landlady. Every department they call her for answers. Even though she no talk, your name maid and Obi. Apollo, Apolonia, Apolonia. Yeah.
What are you still waiting for?
Sorry.
Why are you standing?
Sorry, ma.
Dad,
Yes.
I needed some money for some online businesses. Actually, but I wanted you to give me some. I was going to tell.
Listen, Diamond. If you are not here for apology, get out.
If I don't take your money, whose money am I going to take?
Diamond, I said, leave my presence. Now! Out! Get out! What is wrong with you? Eh?
What is it?
I just want to have a touch.
Sweetheart, don't touch me. Don't just get me to that point and later we just lie down and sleep. Please don't. I've told you to go and see the doctor. Stop touching me.
But I have already told you what the doctor in the UK told me. That I should keep on trying until it works.
You can't keep trying with me. Certainly the doctor did not tell you to try that with your wife. Look for something to try with. If possible, get a doll. Not me.
Baby, what are you insinuating? I don't know. I don't understand you these days. What is going on? Huh? Why not just...
Oh, don't touch me. Okay. Take the pillow to help you.
Excuse me. Dr. Oza? I invited you here because I want you to take whatever I will say with all amount of seriousness, and you handle it professionally.
You've always trusted me too. I'm always at your service.
That's all right.
What is the problem?
The problem is that for the past 17 months, my ration has been failing me. When I traveled to the United Kingdom, I met a doctor who said I was okay.
I see. In that case, you have to come to the hospital so we could run some tests for you to actually ascertain the cause of the problem. Yes.
That's all right. Dr. Oza.
Yes.
You see, whatever we have just said here should be kept confidential. Do I make myself clear?
Chief, you trusted me with top secrets.
Of course.
Remember?
Yes. Yes. Now, do I get you something to drink?
Could you bother yourself, Mama? Thank you. I have to go back to the hospital. Patients are waiting for me.
That's right.
Yes.
You're welcome. Thank you very much. I don't want juice.
Sir, this one has ginger, garlic, and this one has ginger, garlic, and dabino.
What is special about that?
It's good for men, but this one is very good for men.
Hear what I discussed with Dr. Oza?
No, sir. No, sir. I don't want Madam to say I've gossip again, sir. No, sir. That's ginger, sir.
I want you to tell me what you heard.
Sir, I'm not a gossiper.
I have not said so. And I know very well you are not one. But tell me what you heard.
I was in the kitchen.
Yes.
And I overheard Madame telling somebody over the phone that your engine stopped working a long time ago.
She said that?
So it's not gossiping no more. It's not gossip. I'm just...
It's alright, it's alright.
Just telling you what I heard.
It's alright. It's alright.
Nothing is hidden with Apolonia. Even though the cockroach, no say she the house. Now she be house girl, but now she be landlady. Every department they call her for answers. Even though she no talk, your name maid and no be. Apolonia. Yeah.
So you look at me in the face and lie to me?
No, ma. I did not go.
No, listen. Whatever it is that you are planning, it will not work. But take yourself inside that kitchen and go and wash those dishes. Go inside! Go inside! And what was that act of shame with my maid? What was that?
I have no time for your noise.
So I am a noise maker. So I'm a noise maker. I am a noise maker.
What is it?
Did I not say it? Akwama will come back home. She will come back.
I do not understand.
If you think, you will understand.
Anyway, I was going to your house.
Akwama is back home. Thank the gods. She has come back.
I have a very big problem that is eating me up.
A curse you thought was ordinary has come to ring you.
What curse is it?
Machi. The day you threw her out of the house, laid a curse on you. Can you remember?
I am tired of living this life with a fruitless woman like you. Now leave my house. That is what you are. Leave now.
As far as you call me fruitless, you will remain fruitless all your life. You will never hear a cry of any baby all your life. I promise you that.
Are you done? Get out.
That was where this seed of fruitlessness began.
No. Machi said that to me. Yes. But it didn't work. I am not fruitless. As I am talking to you, I have 3 children at home, as you know.
Ife nyere nya bonyite. Ihe nyere nya bonyite. The seed of a man is the seed of a man. The seed of a man is a seed of a man, when truly it is his seed.
What are you trying to say?
I am not just saying anything. I have just said something very important.
What are you doing here?
I have been looking for an opportunity like this to see you. I didn't want to come to the house so that you will not have problem with Chief.
What do you want?
The spirits of my forefathers are angry with me.
How is it my business?
Do you know I've not been able to have another child since I lost my sons in the accident?
So why are you telling me all this?
Nemesis and karma have combined to deal with me. The past has come haunting me. I am frustrated.
Why are you sounding like a madman?
That is the point. My ancestors have threatened to make me mad if I don't come back with my children.
Then you must be very silly.
Eh?
My children are happy with their father. See, I don't want to see you anywhere near my house. Else, I will kill you. Is that clear?
This is not an ordinary fight. My ancestors are involved.
To hell with you and your ancestors.
I want my children. I said I want my children. I want my children. I want my children. I said I want my children. I want my children. I want my children.
Where is your father?
Should be upstairs.
Okay, let me see if I'm now.
Mom, please wait.
What?
I had a terrible dream last night.
Sweetheart, we'll talk about this later. Right now, I need to talk to your father.
A madman was taking me in my dream. He said that I'm his daughter, and his ancestors asked him to bring me home.
Why are you sounding like a madman?
That is the point! My ancestors have threatened to make me mad if I don't come back with my children.
Then you must be very silly.
Eh?
My children are happy with their father. See, I don't want to see you anywhere near my house. Else! My dear, I will talk to the pastor about it. Trust me, you will be fine. I need to see your father. Honey, there's something I've been meaning to ask you.
Please, you have to wait. I am reflecting on the words of God.
Honey, I feel that there's something you're not telling me in this house. That you're hiding something.
And what do you mean by that?
Sweetheart, why have you not talked about your will?
What will are you talking about?
Honey, I'm your wife. I have the right to know if you have prepared your will or not.
Look, woman, if you are up to something stupid, I would rather advise you to go back into your room and have a rethink. Excuse me.
What do you want?
It is good you are home, but you have to start your assignment.
What assignment?
You have to save your son from this coming danger.
I don't have a child.
Oh yes you do. Your son is your seed and you are his seed.
Your son is your seed, and you are his seed.
Apolonia, Mwa Sararu, Obukabuche,
There are things I don't like getting myself involved in, but this one worries me.
What is it?
A man came to my house to ask after your house. And when I tried to query him, he said I should tell you that his seeds live in Shivodogu's house.
That means the wife of Chief Odogu slept with the man in question to have children for Chief Odogu.
How do we explain this?
What the man said is true.
If it is true, then there is trouble.
That woman with meat, misfortune.
Please, let me be on my way.
Where is this stupid boy? Marije! Marije! What are you doing here?
I want to see Chief.
If I go in there, come out and you're still here, you will not believe what I'll do to you. Just wait.
I want to see Chief. I said I want to see Chief! Let me see what you will do.
You're still here. You are still here.
I am not going anywhere until I see Chief.
Okay.
I want to see Chief.
You want to see Chief? Okay, you will see. Spark, where are you? There is a man at my gate. Strangle him and throw him into River Niger. Is that clear? Without any trace. Nonsense.
Strangle me? I am not running. No. Don't think that I'm running. I'll be back. I'll be back. No problem.
If he finds out I am doomed.
Can you just calm down? Sit down.
How can you ask me to calm down, to sit down when my marriage is in trouble? My marriage is about to be shattered. My past is haunting me. How can you ask me to sit down? What idea?
Send some men to kill.
That will not be enough.
If I told you not to kill your husband, you will say I'm evil.
Yes. But that will be double sin.
Hey, that's what I'm saying. Double sin or single sin. Kill Carol. Say it. Don't worry, I will send Spark and son to my people.
Are you sure you shot him on the head?
Madam, we killed him. We're professionals. We shot him dead.
Who killed him? Or do you want to confirm that yourself?
You get your balance in the evening.
sent them to kill me. You cannot kill me. The deity of my forefathers is always with me.
Can you stop coming to my house?
I will not until I get my children. Please tell Chief to find a way and settle you.
Leave my car.
I will not.
Get out of my car!
I want my children. Did you hear what I said? I want my children! I want my children!
That man is either a ghost or a spiritualist. I personally shot him on his head and I saw him drop dead. All of a sudden, he resurfaced while we were with Lolo. I don't understand.
Strange. Very strange. I'm confused right now. I'm so confused.
Babe, see, you have to go and ask questions to know where that man is from. How? Or still, go to your husband and make him write his will. The earlier the better. Because I can't place it.
Son?
Mom?
How much do you know about your father's business?
My father's business? I know little about the textile company, but I think I know a whole lot about the microfinance bank. Why do you ask?
Something surprising is about to happen.
Like what?
See, I want you to try as much as you can to lay your hands on the original document of the textile company, because that is where the money is.
What is going on, Mom? Is this something you're not telling me?
Just do as I said.
But you stay in the same room with Dad. You should know where the document is.
I have tried. I've searched everywhere, but I couldn't find it. So I would like you to conduct a crucial search for it as a man.
Okay, but Mom, you haven't told me why I should search for a document when I know I'll become the MD of the company when my dad is no more.
You cannot become an MD of a company you know nothing about. Use your head for once, son.
You're scaring me.
Ibe, this is not a matter of being civilized or not. That woman is dangerous. Hello? Hello, Ibe? Hello? that man called Kano came to my house threatening to cast a spell on my kindred if Lolo tries to send some boys to kill him again.
Lolo sent some boys to kill him?
That is what he said. He said he was even shot on the chest. But thanks to the sharp he had, if not, he would have been killed.
Have you spoken to Ibe about it?
I called Ibe on phone this night to tell him about it. And he said, Lolo cannot kill the man.
Yes, Lolo cannot kill the man. But Lolo can kill Chief Odogwu to remain his wife.
What do I do? What do I do now?
Mazindoka, go and talk to Chief about it.
Chief Odogwu has told me not to come to his house again, and I will never set my foot on his house.
Do you want him dead? Is that what you want?
I have always told you to let me know whenever you want to give out consignments. I said it.
Oga?
Yes. Just a minute. I will get back to you. I will get back to you. A minute.
Wait, Oga.
Yes.
I don't know this
it?
man. He say he won't see you. Won't see you.
Let him come.
Chief, please. Chief, please forgive me. Forgive me, Chief, please.
You can go. Okay, sir.
Chief, please forgive me. Forgive me.
What is it? Why do I have to forgive you? What have you done?
Chief, I have done a terrible thing to you. Please forgive me. My knees are down. Please, Chief, please forgive me. Chief, please.
Okay, it's all right. Get up. Get up. Get
Chief,
up.
No. I cannot get up until you forgive me. Please, Chief, forgive me. Chief, please forgive me.
And I cannot forgive you if you don't get up.
Please, my knees are down. I'm begging you.
Listen, I said get up.
No, Chief.
I am not your God. Get up. It's all right. Get up. Let's go and have our seat here. Let's have a seat. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Chief, please.
Get up. Drop the bag inside the car. Please come in. Come and have your seat. Excuse me. Why did you pull off your shoes out there?
To show you that whatever I will tell you is the truth. Even the ground will bear me witness.
It's all right. Now have your seat.
Chief, I am not worthy to sit in your house.
What do you mean? I said have your seat. Why are you palpitating like a woman? Huh? Please, will you have your seat? Have your seat. Listen, I have no time for any rubbish. Quickly, just have your seat and let us talk. What's happening? Huh? Okay. For sometimes I have not set my eyes on you. Since you lost those boys of yours in an accident. So what has been happening?
Chief, I've been trying to hide from my sins, but it's not possible. But my ancestors have given me a little time to make amends, and that's why I've come to ask for your forgiveness. Please.
So what forgiveness are you asking for? Talk to me, please.
There's something I want to tell you, which I don't think you will believe me.
What is it?
Chief, you are not the real father of your 3 children.
What? What nonsense are you talking about? What are you talking about? Are you insane?
Chief, sometimes in the past, I committed adultery with your wife.
That is... What?
Chief, she told me you were incapable, so I helped her.
That is impossible! Impossible!
Chief, look at my toes and my nails. Don't they look like theirs? Look at this birthmark on my stomach. The same with Bruno's.
Just 2 days made a pay salary, eh? Now this one they happen. Who go come pay the salary now? Eh?
You dey mad? Salary na be the only thing wey you fit think of. Na be your problem now. As in, that's all wey dey your mind now. Salary.
See, no be when man work, they go pay am. Eh? I think man they do for the life. Not be if when you work they go pay you. Now be that.
What happened? Where is he?
Just take it easy.
You'll be fine, huh? Thank you. Thank you.
What happened?
He needs some rest. I'll see you in the evening.
Okay. Honey? Honey, what happened? Why are you not saying anything? What happened? Honey. Sweetheart. Sweetheart, what happened? What do you mean that you don't know what happened?
I don't know. I just went there and I saw him on the ground.
And who was with him when he fainted?
He was alone.
Nothing is hidden with Apolonia. Even all the cockroach, no say she dey house. Now she be house girl, but now she be landlady. Every department they call her for answers. Even though she no talk, your name
Why are you quiet? What happened?
Is there anything you have to tell me about our children?
Our children? I don't understand.
I asked you a very simple question and I believe you understand it clearly.
Well, there's nothing about the children, just that they are curious about the will. It's just about the will. Yes.
The will.
Yes, honey.
Go out there. Search yourself. You might reconcile with your memory.
Why did you lie to me?
I did not lie to you, ma.
What did that man tell Chief?
I don't know, ma. I don't know anything. I can swear on my job.
You can swear with your entire miserable life.
God no be happy with me.
Oh, okay, keep quiet. I don't know what you're good for. Carlo was here.
And what business do you have with him?
He has been asking me out, but I did not take him seriously because I heard that he has lots of memory of recent.
Loss of memory?
Mm-hmm.
I thought as much.
Did he touch you? Did you quarrel with him? Did he fight you? I heard that he fights on the streets these days.
Listen, I want to be left alone.
What did he tell you? What is this? What is this?
A protection, ma.
What protection?
Ma, I cannot hear with this my ear again because everybody is using my face to practice slapping. So I said to protect my face against the slap since this is the only ear I have left.
Leave my sight. I say leave my sight.
Nothing is hidden with Apolonia. Even all the cockroach,
I say go!
say she dey house. Now she be house girl, but now she be landlady. Every department they call her for answers. Even though she don't talk, your name may be Anobi. Apolonia, yeah. Nothing is hidden with Apolonia. Even all the cockroach, no say she dey house. Now she be house girl, but now she be landlady. Every department they call her for answers, even though she don't.
What did he tell you?
Don't deny you don't know what he told me.
Honestly, I don't know what he told you. What did he tell you?
Woman, please, get out of this room.
What?
I said get out of this room. I will call you whenever I need to talk to you.
Sweetheart, are you asking me out of our room? Did I hear you right?
Listen to me. If I go in there and pick my gun, I will shoot you and nothing will happen. Get out! Get away!
I am worried. I am so scared. I know that he's angry with me because of what Kalu might have told him. I don't want to lose my husband.
You see what I've been saying? You see what I've been saying? If you had listened to me when I told you to kill him, all those things would have been a forgotten story and no story.
But he doesn't want to mention anything about his will.
Oh no, what is will? What are you talking about? Forget the will. At this point now, your life and that of your children is more important. What will? What will?
Every day one day
let's just know what to do, because right now the will is not an issue.
Stands to reap the fruit. Only your joy is unique. Imano only your joy na mommy fere. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful how you move about. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful who you hang out with. Be careful how you.
Are you deaf? Pick this and I'll give it to my husband.
Apollo, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
That's all right.
I'm not fine, sir.
What is wrong with you? Are you alright?
Madam, sir, I should give you your tea.
Oh, my tea, that's alright.
But
What?
she put something inside.
Eh?
I think it's poison, sir.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Very sure, sir.
Apolonia. Even though the cockroach, no say she dey house. Now she be house girl, but now she be landlady. Every department they call her for answers. Even though she no talk, your name maid and no be. Apolonia.
Should I get you something else to eat?
Yes. Give me some vegetable salad.
Okay, sir.
Apolonia, yeah.
Can I say something?
Go, say something. But not anything that has to do with your mother.
No, sir.
Good.
Do you have anybody like a brother you can share this with?
Share what with?
I heard what the man told you. And I'm worried that your wife might try to take your life.
And do you think what the man said is right?
I don't have any right to interfere in your family matters, sir. But I want you to be careful.
Thank you very much. Sure, I will.
Thank you, sir. His body is very hot.
Oh, he'll be fine.
Let me change this.
It's okay. You're right.
Doctor.
Yes.
I am fine.
Okay.
I am fine. Please lock up the door.
It's okay. It's okay.
Fast.
Yes.
Doctor.
Yes.
I want to be very sure of my children's paternity.
Okay.
Yes. I am very serious about it. Yes.
Well, in that case, you will have to go for a DNA test.
DNA?
Yes, DNA test.
That is all right, doctor. That's all right.
It's okay.
Please help me do that.
So where's Dad? How is he?
Oh, he's fine.
Okay.
Sit down here, please.
Doctor. Now that we the children are here, Doctor, please tell us, what is his problem?
Well, he has a severe blood shortage.
What?
Yes.
Doc, are you sure this is what his problem is?
Yeah. Urgently, he needs blood transfusion.
Doctor, please, you can take my blood.
Very well then. I need to test your blood first.
Then test mine. I don't want anything to happen to Dad.
Okay, fine. Take him to the guest room so you can proceed immediately.
Okay, let's go. Seriously, I don't understand this whole thing.
Dad, do you need anything? No. You'll be fine, okay?
There's an iota of hepatitis in your blood sample.
Let me talk to Bruno then.
It's alright.
Okay.
How did it go?
Bruno, doctor said I'm not safe.
You're not safe.
Yes.
What does it mean by you're not safe?
You are not safe. How did it go? Any good news?
Doctor said I'm also not a free donor.
What? What is going on?
Sit.
Don't share the same blood group with your father.
And I just wasted my blood for this test. Really?
Thank you very much, Doctor.
You're welcome, Chief.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for thanking me.
What? Can I trust you?
Yes, of course. You've always trusted me. So what else can I do for you?
Please, do not disclose my health status to anyone.
Oh, come on, Chief. I cannot do that. It's not possible.
It's all right.
It's against medical profession.
Thank you very, very much. Once more.
It's all right, Chief.
Thank you.
It's all right.
Every day na for the thief, one day na for the owner. If you live life without caution, you stand to reap the fruit. Only your joy.
So, what do we do now?
Well, I have to go to the blood bank and get some blood.
Then there's no point waiting. Why not take him to the hospital with you?
Chief has phobia for hospital. It might even get worse when we get there.
In that case, let me take you there.
No, relax. I came with my car.
We're wasting a lot of time. Doc, you need to start going now.
No, I'll be back before you know it.
You have to be fast.
It's okay.
There is something fishy about this. Oh, please, Diamond. We're not here to talk about that. Really?
I have this to dispose first before you talk about something fishy.
He took our blood sample for the test and he said none matched with Dad's own. So he has gone to the blood bank to get some for Dad.
How is he now?
He should be better. But Mom.
Yes?
I think Dad and Dr. Ozo are up to something funny.
Whatever it is that they are up to, I am ready for it.
Daddy, we need to talk.
Talk about your mother's ban?
Ban? Is that what you call it? Daddy, you stopped her from entering your matrimonial room. She doesn't even know what her crime is. Dad, she's hot. What's her crime?
Let her be hot. I am too upset to talk about your mother.
Honey, what is wrong? You've been like this since you came back.
I'm not sure what I did was professional.
What did you do?
I don't know how to say it.
I know you did not engage in abortion, did you?
Not at all.
So what is it?
The chief wanted me to run a DNA test on his children. So I took their blood samples without them knowing exactly what I wanted to do with it.
So, what did you tell them?
I lied to them that I wanted to check whose blood would match his for transfusion.
Why? Why? That could put your life and profession in danger. You know his wife has a record of bad dealings in the past.
Anyway, I know what to do. I know exactly what to do.
It's okay. Let's go to bed. What is it again? No. This is trouble. Big trouble.
Chief's condition is terrible to behold this news.
Are you thinking of telling him the opposite?
No.
Things might even get worse if I had it from him.
Then please, do the needful. We did not pray last night. Can we pray now? We are saying thank you, Jesus. Thank you, my Lord. We are saying thank you, Jesus. Thank you, my Lord, for your goodness. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, my Lord. We are saying thank you, Jesus.
Thank you,
my Lord. Hidden man, hidden man, hidden man.
Chief, I'm afraid you might not like the results of the DNA test.
But I want to hear it. Yes. Anyway, I know everything about the test.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Calm down. Now that your blood pressure is very high. Okay?
Tell me, where have I gone wrong? Huh?
Easy, Chief. Easy. Now, do you mind if I place you under intensive care in my house?
I will be fresh here.
Well, if you say so. I can always check on you in the night. Okay?
I'll be glad. Thank you very much.
Very well then.
But please, this has to be kept confidential.
No, Chief. We've always been on this together, okay?
Okay.
I will definitely keep it secret. Okay?
Thank you very much then.
You have nothing to worry about, Chief.
Okay.
We're together at this, huh?
Excuse me.
So, Helen, what is it?
Dad, we need to talk.
Come out, or if you can't, just say excuse me and go. Action!
I need to talk to you.
Can we talk when I come back in the night?
I know my husband must have told you something about us.
Madam, we do not discuss family matters. Excuse me. Good evening, madam.
Sit. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Tell me exactly what is going on.
What do you want to hear?
Everything. Everything.
Chief told me that you refused coming to his bedroom because he has poor erection problem.
Oh, please, spare me that. I'm not a kid. Tell me something I should hear. How much do you want? I can pay you in cash or in kind. What did Chief tell you about my children and I? What exactly did he tell you?
What exactly do you want to hear?
I know where your mind is going.
Stop this, madam.
Do you want to talk? Or should I tell my husband the way you molested me the very day I came to your office for a checkup?
Is this a blackmail?
Oh, is that what they call it? Blackmail? Meet me in the guest room. I will be waiting.
Every day in Aphrodite, one day in a folio. If you live life without caution, you stand to reap the fruit. Only your joy away sumike. Imano only your joy na mwami fere. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful how you move about. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful who you hang out with. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful how you move about. Nothing. Be careful how you live your life.
What do we call this? What? I know today is his free day, so where could he have gone to? I'm collecting. Okay. Uzo. Okay. He will tell me what he has been up to these days. He will tell me.
Apollo. Apollo.
Sir? Sir?
Why not go inside and get your dinner and go to bed?
Yes, sir. Should I come back after eating, sir?
No. You need to have some rest. Call Bruno for me.
He went out, sir.
And the diamond.
They left together. Helen is out.
Okay. Tell Helen to call me Dr. Uzo.
Apolonia, you can't marginalize her. She knows her right. She don't.
Hello, Eve.
What is it?
If I am not fine, I am not fine, and I'm sure to do something very stupid soon. I'll do something stupid. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Like seriously?
She don't tire for poverty. She begin the hustle. House together.
Chief said you should call Dr. Uzo.
Is Daddy alright?
Yes. Dr. Uzo was supposed to come and check his BP this night.
Okay, just take this one inside. Yeah, this one.
And just calm down, okay? Calm down. Just don't worry, okay? He will come back. He will definitely come back. Alright? I know. Just calm down, okay? Calm down.
Shebi, when I start my own now, they will say I'm overreacting or I'm overjealous. Abi? No, Eve, tell me. Which responsible married man will be outside up till this time? No, tell me. Like, I don't even care. I don't care whatever they will say. They should say I am jealous. They should say I am this. I don't care.
I know. Just calm down, okay? Calm down.
It's okay. Fine, I'll talk to you later. It's okay. Uzo. Dr. Uzo.
Who asked you to come in here?
Nobody, ma. Nobody, ma.
Now get out.
Yes, ma.
Leave!
Auntie Anissa, I should bring the wine, ma. I keep it here.
Leave here! Get out!
Okay, ma. Doctor, sir? Okay, is it?
Did you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Nothing is hidden with Apolonia. Even though the cockroach, no say she dey house. Now she be house girl, but now she be landlady.
I believe it will be easier for you to be truthful to me.
I feel disgusted.
Stop sounding like a weakling and tell me what I need to hear.
I'll not say anything.
I'll be in your office tomorrow. I'll bring you ₦1 million tomorrow. It's mine.
How did he go? Were you able to get him down?
Yes, I did, but my house girl caught us.
Ha! You should have been very careful.
I need to clean this mess before it gets to my husband. Before this whole thing becomes messier.
Would you allow me to undo this?
Yes.
Good. Where's your husband?
It's the bedroom.
You've not told me where you're coming from.
Sweetheart, can I have some rest, please?
Like, seriously? No, like, you want to rest without telling me where you've been? Wait, what do you take me for? A fool?
I went to see Chief on emergency.
Really? You went to see Chief on emergency and you returned home reeking of a woman's sweat mixed with feminine deodorant.
You know what? I think I should leave this room for you tonight. Yes, I will clean myself missing. Here.
Do you think I'm joking with you?
But that's not official.
Dr. Ozo, I asked you for the very last time. Where are you coming from? Uzo! See, if you don't tell me where you're coming from, we will not sleep tonight. The earlier you start talking, the better.
Honey, please forgive me. It won't happen again. I told you that Chief is in a condition that I need to keep close watch on him, or else he will die. And it's a promise he made to me that he has not fulfilled yet.
Okay. You should have at least called to tell me you were going there. You know, I was very worried when I called and your line was not connecting.
I'm sorry. Next time, before going to attend to him, come back home. Okay? Can I have my food now?
Sure. And I am sorry.
Careful how you live your life. Careful how you move about. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful who you have.
Chief.
Yes.
Will you take your drugs now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh! You are here. So you want to come and ruin this family the way you ruined mine? Is that your plan? Chief, this girl is evil. She is evil. Let her go back to her evil people. Very well. I am sure by today you will send her away. Yes. Thank you. You're welcome. And I'm saying, once she leaves this house, I will make sure she dies. That's a promise. You are heartless.
What a friend.
You're welcome. Thank you. Yeah.
Apolonia, oh, Mau Sararu, Babuche, Imagosi, Magarine, Ona Bankurio, Mau Sararu, Babuche, Imagosi, Ebo Bazara, Ochia, Omegaria, Mamu, Tem, no Balansigo, Apolonia carried Ochia, Izo, you are Panu, Tem, Imano Balansigo, Apolonia. Lekene kosi na awa Sararu Mama Kabuche Imagosi wado Iya hiyoro yako gemeo Sararu Kabuche Imagosi wado Omero sobu manchao Sararu Imagosi wado You can't marginalize her, she knows her right. She don't tire for poverty, she begin the hustle. house girl, house girl, everything get where it is in a house girl, house girl, house girl, everything get where it is in a house girl. Wow, Sararu, Babuche, Imagosi, Wado, Apollo, wow, Sararu, Babuche, Imagosi, Wado, Eba, Batara, Ochia, Megaria, Izo, Mapano, Dem, Imago, Balansigo, Eba, Tineris, Ochia, Megaria, Izo, Mapano, Dem, Imago, Balansigo, Apolonia, wow, Sararu, Babuche, Imagosi, Wado, Ekenekosi, Amu, wow, Sararu, Babuche, Imagosi, Wado, Ekenekosi, Josie, wow, Sararu, Babuche, Imagosi, Wado, Ekenekosi, Abambo, hey, wow, Sararu, Imagosi, Wado. Is hidden with Apolonia. Even though the cockroach, no say she dey house. Now she be house girl, but now she be landlady. Every department they call her for answers. Even though she don't talk, your name baby I know be Apolonia. Yeah. Ekenekosi amu, wow, Sararu, Babuche, Imagosi, Wado, Ekenekosi Josie, wow, Sararu, Babuche, Imagosi, Wado, Ekenekosi Abambo, hey.